Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
core was infrastructure as matter जास्त प्राइस घेतलेलो सो ताची तीनय पार्टी आयिल्ले हांगा अपीलंट आयिल्लो तातूंत रेस्पोंडंट पंचायत आनी तातूंत एक इंटरव्यू कॅविएटर आसा कॅविएटर जो आसा पळय ताणें आमचे कडल्यान टायम मागून घेतलो सो ही इज फायलिंग द एप्लिकेशन इंटर्न द मॅटर एंड अकॉर्डिंगली ही हॅज सॉट द टायम कॅविएटर सेव ओल्ड गोवा जे कोण लोक आसा पळय तांचे सो अकॉर्डिंगली द टायम वॉज ग्रांटेड टू हिम एंड द नेक्स्ट डेट हॅज बीन फिक्स्ड ऑन April, first week of April. Okay, next cases will be heard on the 5th of April.
So till that period the Panchayat cannot act on the demolition?
No, that cannot be. That Panchayat issued the order. That order has been challenged by the concerned appellant before this court. And this court will take action. Whether what Panchayat says is correct or what the appellant says is correct. That will be decided after hearing all the parties.
The request is made for implement on behalf of Save Goa committee, and the request is made. The court has granted the time to file application for proper implement application and fixed it on the 5th of April. So we will file the proper application impleading and bringing out to the authorities notice all the illegalities which are being committed by the appellant and file our proper application, and we will bring to the notice.